Hello, we have quite a lot of stories for you today. There is Rylee with the 5-day forecast, Madison who is live at the scene. Finally, there is Brayli with the human interest story. Now here is Rylee with the 5-day forecast. To you, Rylee.
Okay, thanks Lola. So this week is going to be kind of cold and warmish. And so for today, Friday, it's going to be 26 but sunny. Saturday, we're going to have 16. The high is going to be 16 and the low is going to be 1. But it's going to be sunny but kind of cloudy. Sunday, the high is going to be 15, the low is -1, but still sunny. Monday, it's 9 degrees, the low is -7, so grab those coats because it's going to be cloudy. Tuesday, it's going to be 16 degrees, but thankfully the low is only 12, but still, I would dress warm. Wednesday, the high is going to be 33 degrees, so which is higher than freezing, but the low is going to be 30, and it's going to be snowing, so I would grab those snow boots and go sledding one of those days. And then Thursday, high is 36, low is 24, and keep those snow boots ready. Back to you, Lola.
Hey guys, okay, so thank you, Rylee. So I hope you guys have your coats at home. That's going to be one cold blizzard. Thank you. Well, that is surely something. Now here's Madison live at the scene.
Okay, so we are at the live scene right now, and it's gonna get colder and the wind speed's gonna get worse. And you might want to get those blankets out. It's really cold out here. Oh, it's so cold. And you might want to get hot chocolate too, because the wind speed's gonna get a lot worse than it is right now. So, whoops, I'm okay. Oh well, back to you, Lola. I'm going inside.
Okay, thanks guys. Thanks Lola. Thanks everyone. Thanks Madison. Hope that's not too bad of a fall. We really appreciate it. Hope you're not too cold out there anyway, Madison. And so the cold front it's already so cold out there. And the cold front's gonna come down and it's gonna make everything colder. And then the wind speed's gonna pick up the speed and it's gonna make everything just more cold and colder and colder. And so then we're gonna have that just get cold, and then the clouds are like, we have too much in us, we have too much precipitation, we just gotta snow. So they're just gonna let it snow, and so the snow's gonna go, and it's gonna be wind speeds higher, and the cold front's in, and it's gonna be snowing all on Tuesday and Wednesday, and so it's not gonna be it's not gonna be a very warm day. So I would make sure you have all your snow boots, maybe your fuzzy socks, everything that you can use to stay warm. It's gonna be not a very nice day out there. So I hope you guys have that all prepared and ready to do. And on top of it, then we also have the icy roads, and make sure you're so careful on those icy roads. We've had so many accidents and just sliding off the roads and everything, and just in our community, not all in the state or anything. So I would just make sure that you are extra careful on those roads, even crossing, walking to school, anything, or especially driving. There's been a lot of car accidents lately. We don't want any of you guys to get hurt. So be careful on all those roads. It's gonna be awful. So it's gonna be so cold, and it's just gonna get colder. And so hopefully that the groundhog comes out and says, "Oh, no more winter." Hopefully, I'm praying. And so we just hope that everyone is safe and everyone is happy, and be careful on those awful roads and be prepared for that blizzard on Tuesday and Wednesday. Thanks. Okay guys, so remember, these few days are going to be really kind of warm, but you know what, we really got to prepare for the Tuesday and Wednesday snow. It's going to be so crazy. We got to get everything done. We got to make sure we have all our necessities, and so make sure you have a bunch of food and water. It's probably not going to get too bad where we have to close down schools or anything, but it's still gonna get really bad. So I would make sure and watch out for all that snow and sleet and everything. So make sure to watch out for that and be careful on those nasty little ice. And thanks for everything, Maddie and Lola and Brayli. Okay. Thanks, Madison. It looks really cold out there. And thank you to Lola. So we got the heavy winds out there, as she said. The winds are going to be picking up really, really fast. So make sure to grab all your necessities. So remember, the winds are going to come down and it's going to be really, really, really cold. Brr. I would make sure that we all have our necessities. So on Tuesday and Wednesday, the snows are going to get really, really, what's the word? They're going to get really, really lots of snowfall, lots and lots of snowfall. I think they said like 2 days straight. And then we're going to have the snow, or have the winds going everywhere, and that's going to make it really cold. So be careful, don't slip on those slippery roads, and remember, always be safe. So as we know now from everything that's happened, and one of the craziest winters in like 20 years, we all need to be prepared and have all those necessities. Whew, thank you.
Thank you, Madison. I hope you aren't too cold out there. Now finally, here's Brayli with the entertainment.
Hey, thanks Lola. So today we have a lot of things going on in our community. So first off, we have our basketball team. We have Jackson Duffin, Jack Groberg, Dylan Seeley, Crew Peterson, and so many more. So make sure you go and support them and show them how much Taylorview pride we got. And today we will be interviewing one of our very own Taylorview cheerleaders, Emma Hansen. Come on.
Hello.
So Emma Hansen, how is cheerleading so far?
It's good. It's really fun being with the team, and I love having Megan as our coach. She's a great coach, and my stunt group is also really awesome. Hashtag Finding Nemos. And yeah.
All right, well, I'm really glad to hear that everything's going good and that you're having a lot of fun, and thanks for being on.
Of course, I would love to do this again.
All right, well, thank you, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm really happy to be reporting the human interest story for you, and back to you, Lola.
Okay, so the snow's gonna come down and it's gonna be really cold, so I would grab those snow boots and that coat ready. So we will just get the car scrapers ready. We will need to be prepared because those heavy snows were gonna come and hit us hard. The winds are gonna kick up really, really high. I think they were saying like a mile or 5 per hour, and so we gotta get ready for those crazy winds, and that will cause the and with those crazy winds and all that snowfall and all the snow already on the ground, we're gonna have a blizzard. The blizzards are just gonna get really, really crazy, and we're not gonna know what's gonna happen. And that will just be prepared. Make sure you guys have all your necessities already. Make sure you have the snow boots and that coat. Back to you, Lola. Thanks.
Great. Thank you, girls. Now the most important thing. Bye.